Mommy is playing a mean trick and having Sophia keep crawling. You're almost here. You can do it. Look at how fast you are. Look at how far you've come. Almost there. Yeah. Okay, let's show the camera how far you went. All the way from over there to here. You did it! Yay, Sophia! You get your reward. What's your favorite thing to do with books? Eat them. Yeah. Serenity.